If you've been thinking about buying a home but have no idea where to even start, this video is for you. Today, I'm walking you through the entire home buying process, step by step, from the very first thing you need to do, all the way to the moment you get your keys. A real roadmap. Let's get to it. There are 7 steps. Step number 1, know your numbers. Before you look at any home online, you need to know your numbers. And I don't just mean your salary. I mean your full financial picture. Start with your credit score. Pull it for free at your credit report at your bank. You want to aim for a 680 or higher to get a competitive loan rate. But even if you are below that, do not panic. There are loan programs for that. Next, look at your savings. In the Bay Area, you typically need somewhere between 3.5% to 20% for a down payment, depending on your loan type. And you need to budget another 2 to 3% for your closing costs on top of your purchase price. And finally, your debt to income ratio. Your lender is going to look closely to this. Most lenders want this to be under 43%. Okay, write this number down before you do anything else. This is your foundation. And how do you calculate that? Your total monthly debt divided by your gross monthly income, and it has to be under 43%. Okay, write this number down. This is your foundation. Now that you know your numbers, step number 2, it's time to get pre-approval. Not pre-qualified, pre-approved. Here's the difference. Pre-qualification is just an estimate based on what you tell the lender. Pre-approval means they actually verify your income, your assets, and your credit. It's a real commitment. In the competitive market like this, sellers will not look at your offer without a pre-approval letter, period. My advice, use a local lender who knows the market, who will pick up the phone on Sunday night when we are about to submit an offer. One more thing, do not make any big financial moves while you're in the buying process. No new car, no new boat, no new credit card, no big lump sum of money deposit into your bank account without any documentation. It can kill your loan the very last minute. I've seen it happen. Step number 3, I am biased, yes. You need someone like me, a great buyer agent. An agent isn't just someone who opens the door for you. They are your negotiator, your market expert, your guide through your biggest financial decision. Here's what to look for. Someone who communicates clearly and quickly. And someone is not afraid to tell you the truth, even though when it's not what you want to hear. Guess what? I'm really good at that. My information is in the description box below if you need to contact me. Also, another new thing, you got to sign the buyer broker agreement before touring homes. This is just formalize our relationship, and in that document you will see all of my responsibilities and my obligation to the law to provide the services and how I get paid. I need 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,800 square feet, etc. But I'm going to stop you right there. Before we look at any property online, I want you to think about your wants versus your needs, like the must-haves and the nice-to-have. They are different, okay? Frankly speaking, your first home in this competitive market is very difficult to get all the things you want in your first home or your dream home the very first time. It is possible. I'm not saying that it's not impossible, but it's difficult because it's too competitive. Okay, so think of it like if you want to date someone, of course we want to date someone that is beautiful, nice career, um, everything is stable, right? But we actually need someone who is kind, show up on the date, show up on the dinner and reliable, responsible. So buying a home is like that. Okay. So what criteria that you absolutely must have? You absolutely must have, right? So my advice first, location. Why? Because you can remodel your home any way you want, but you cannot move your home from location A to location B. Okay, so ask yourself, do you need to be near work, near school district, like a block from school for your children? Uh, how about the layout, right? What layout would work for you best? Um, and how about stairs? Would you be okay with home with stairs? Okay, no matter how pretty the countertop look like, or the kitchen or the bathroom, but it's still it's a nice thing to have, not a must have, because that is something you can always remodel, fix up years later. Okay, the paint color, same thing, right? $50 a gallon or whatever that is. Yeah, it's a simple fix. It won't be um, the deal breaker in my opinion. Okay, and so if if you get that figured out, then chances you're going to get your dream home. Follow those rules so you won't miss out your great buy, a great home. Okay, does it make sense? Now, yes, focus on the bones of the house is another word. Everything else can be fixed over time. Step number 5, the offer. This is the most technical part. Now we make an offer, our offer get accepted. Congratulations. Okay, but it's not always the highest price that win the offer. It's the terms that equally important can help you win the offer. Okay, this is where I step in. What I do is I look at it's called a comps. So it's the market comparison to the sold home in the same neighborhood, how much it was sold for. Okay, and that is our navigation. How much should we negotiate for the home that you like? Okay, and then we talk about contingencies, and those are your exit ramps in case that you change your mind, in case that something happened and you would like to back out from the offer. Things like inspections, appraisals, and loan, those are your exit out, your way out, if anything changes at all. Okay. Now it can be stressful, but don't worry. I do all the heavy liftings and the tough talk. I have covered a lot. If you feel this video is helpful so far, please click the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below for any question that you may have, or if you want a list of the things that the checkbox list, I'll be happy to send it over your way. Okay. Okay. So think about the must-have, the things that you cannot compromise. All right. Um, okay. Now we head to step 6. After our offer get accepted is the escrow part. Now your offer get accepted. Congratulations. This is a quiet process, but busy. It usually takes about 21 to 30 days to close escrow. This is when you put your earnest monies or deposit money into the escrow account to show the sellers that you are serious. And this is 3% of the purchase price. During this period, we do 3 things: home inspections. Uh, um, we bring in the professional to look at to evaluate the home, to look at the home to see if anything wrong at all. And the second thing is appraisal. That is the bank verifies the value. Okay. The third the third thing is your paperwork. Your lender will ask for everything. They may even ask for the same bank statement 3 times. Don't get frustrated. It's just part of the process. Okay, here is the critical reminder. Remember what I said earlier. Do not go out, buy a car, buy a boat, or open another credit card line. Okay, just keep your the whole thing, the whole status the same from beginning to the end until you got the keys in your hands. Okay, um, because I see things that deals that fall apart the last minute because someone go out and buy the car, just before they close escrow. That is not good. Okay, just wait. Okay, now the week before closing, so it's a step number 7, the closing step. Uh, well, we make it to the finish line. You go to the title company or sign or make an appointment to meet somewhere, even at your home or title company, to sign a mountain of paperwork. Your hand may cramp up. It's a workout. You will wire your down payment um, and the closing cost. And once all of that done, the escrow office will send a paperwork to the counter to record the deeds for you. That's it. The house is yours. And I get to call you to say those magic words. Congratulations, I have your keys. There is no feeling like walking into your own home for the first time, knowing you did it the right way with the right team on your side. First of all, is your agent, me, and the lender. Okay? Well, buying a home is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes patience and the right team, like I said. Well, I hope this roadmap makes the process feel exciting instead of scary. If you ready to start your home search in the Bay Area, in the East Bay, that's where I located. My contact information is in the description box below. I love to help you find the must-haves value in your home. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and share with a friend who is tired of paying rent, perhaps. I am from East Bay Realtor and see you in my next video. Love.